Hello guys, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So if you're just joining us for the first time, I welcome you to the channel and I'm here to tell you that you are in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to add a Chrome extension in your Chrome browser. So without wasting much time, let's go into this. First thing you have to do is to go over to your Chrome and you open it, and from here you can see we're in our Chrome, and from the search bar all you have to search is Chrome Web Store. You hit your enter. So now you can see we're in the first page. Here says Chrome Web Store. You're just gonna click that, and from here you can see a bunch of extensions that you can pick out from. But if you have an extension in your mind that you want to find, you just click it. Let's say for example Loom, and once you search it you can see a suggestion that says Loom. So this is a free screen recorder and screen capture. So what you have to do is to click on it, and then you click on add to Chrome. You're going to see this pop up here, and you click add to Chrome. So once you've done that, it's going to download and add to your Chrome. So for you to access all your extension, you're just going to click here and you can be able to see all of your extensions. Alright guys, I'm just going to give you one tip. If you are sure you're not going to be using some of your extension, you can just go on manage and you have to turn them off if you are not going to be using them all the time. By doing this, you're going to save yourself some power on your system, and then your Chrome is going to run better. Okay guys, so that's everything about this video. If you find the video useful and helpful, just drop a comment, and you can also give the video a like, and you can subscribe to support the channel. Thank you guys. See you again in the next one.